How to create a stop loss on Robinhood. In this video, I'll show you how to create a stop loss on your Robinhood account to protect your investments. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you are an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app and log into your account. Next, tap on the stock you want to set a stop loss for. Once you are on the stock page, tap trade, then select sell. Now tap on order types and select stop loss. Enter the stop loss price you want. This is the price at which your stock will automatically be sold to prevent further losses. And the final step is to review and confirm. Once you have set the price, tap the review and to double check your stop loss order. If everything looks good, tap submit to finalize. And that's how you set a stop loss on Robinhood to protect your investment. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.